Hello world, welcome to part 3 in the video tutorial series How to Build a Website in One Day on GoDaddy in 2020. So far we have purchased a domain name from GoDaddy, we have purchased hosting, we have set up our website to be online, and we have installed WordPress. We also customized our site slightly by putting the name of our website and our tagline in. Today we will be putting our logo on our website. Here's our logo. We made our logo using GIMP, the free open source photo editing program that is an alternative to Photoshop. Be sure to check out that video. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your website. So enter your website domain name /wp-admin and hit enter. Then you will get your login screen. Enter your login information and click login. Now we want to come over to appearance, over to customize and click on customize. Now click on site identity. Here you can select your logo to display on every page of your website. So we're going to click select logo and select files. Find where you have your logo stored. Mine's on my desktop. Double click on it and let it load. Okay, so over here you're going to want to describe your photo. It helps Google recognize what the photo's about. It can also help to brand your website with your brand name, as every page will have this logo on it. So your alt text is a lot of what Google reads. Whenever your photo can't be displayed, whatever is written here is what people will see. So I'm going to put the name of my website in my tagline. And I'm going to just copy and paste it in these other areas. So this theme calls for a certain size logo that would fit in here. I'm not sure what it is. Sometimes it'll say when you upload it. So it's trying to crop it to that size. I don't want it cropped. I like the way this is going to look. So we're just going to skip cropping. And there you go. There's your logo. So next what we want to do is, I'm going to add on to here. We can toggle these controls down here to see how it will look on different devices. Here it is on mobile. You see it fits nicely between the search and the toggle menu. Here it is on a tablet. So it displays our tagline and our logo. And there it is on desktop. So now once you've clicked publish, just go ahead and close this. Come over here to this home button where it says visit site. Hold down your control key so it'll open in a new tab. And there's our logo. Okay, in our next video we will be changing the color of our link text so that it matches our logo and our color scheme that we've decided to use.